Miano.
Hi, I was out there last weekend, purchased an engine. I was just curious on when that might be ready. By
What year
chance.
is it?
It's a 2014 Fusion.
Motor?
Yeah, it was still in the car. Honestly, I didn't even ask how long it would be, but I mean,
It takes 1 day.
oh, okay.
Alright?
Well, I mean, I paid for it on Friday, and I was just waiting for a call. Nobody called, so I mean, if it's ready, I can come get it. I was just curious.
Yeah, what size motor is it?
It's I believe it's a 2.5.
Your number is 7 or a T?
7.
What's your name, Jacob?
Yeah.
Yeah, 9554. I thought I called you.
I never got a call. I mean, I don't know. My phone might have blocked it or some stupid shit, but
Okay.
either way, it's no worries.
Yep, it's out.
Awesome. Cool. Thank you so much, man.
Alright.
Appreciate you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bitch! I'm about to smack somebody. Yeah, but it's out. So, I mean, if you can. If not, it's totally okay. I know you said you would. They're open until 6, I believe. Oh, shit. All right. So, as you heard, they have my engine ready. He said that they called me. I never got a call. I'm not mad about it. It is Tuesday, or Wednesday? Is today Wednesday? Today's Wednesday, my dudes. But Greg is gonna come with his truck, and we're gonna put the engine in his truck, and then yeah. So I will be back when we get the whole situation going. All right, so I just pulled into the auto place. I'm waiting on Greg to get here with this truck. I'm gonna go inside and see if they can at least get it ready, and we can at least get it today, hopefully. It took a little bit longer than expected, and it's a little late, but yeah. We got the brightness turned up on the camera, so hopefully it works out. I'll see y'all in a minute. Can't really tell, but there's an engine right here. Thanks, Greg. I appreciate you.
All the time, Bubba.
R.I.P. my mirror. But yeah, we're at Harbor Freight. We're gonna grab a crane because I don't have the crane anymore because Brian doesn't work at the place anymore. So, yeah. Oh shit. Okay, well unfortunately they have none of the 2-ton, not jacks. They have none of the 2-ton cranes, and they have none of the 1-ton cranes. So, yeah, I don't know. We're just gonna go back to my house and figure it out from there.
Hotel parking lot. Yep. Yep. Okay. Yeah, the feeling bouncing right. Let's see. Yeah, it's just heavier than I thought.
I don't know. You're just kind of scared. It's because of that fucking.
Wait, how's that?
Yeah, let that go. That should be good enough. As good as we're gonna get.
Yes, sir.
To be honest. Bada boom, bada bing. We have ourselves an engine for the Speed 6. Let's go. Unfortunately, as I said, Harbor Freight did not have any cranes, so I'm not able to get it up on the stand yet. We do have the old engine block sitting back here, just sitting on the ground, real good for it. But it's there. The block's good. The head is over there. That is gonna go on there. I'm probably gonna sell the head from this 2.5 once I get it off to kind of recuperate some of the money, and then yeah, that's really the plan. I made sure it does spin. It's not locked up or anything like that. And right there is where it's going to sit for the time being. Hopefully we don't have any issues where it tips or anything like that. And yeah, we'll probably continue this video on when I can get the crane. I want to try to go tomorrow, but I don't know if it'll fit in the car with the baby in the car. So I don't know. We'll have to figure out if I can find like dimensions of a box and then go from there. But I'd like to, at least in this video, get it on the engine stand so we can start tearing it apart and make progress. We did it. We got the 2-ton crane. Now we need to pull it out and set it up. So I'm probably gonna take my bike put my bike out there, close the garage, turn the heater on, and set it up because it's like 20 some degrees. Apparently we're getting a crazy snowstorm tonight, so maybe we'll try to get some like snow clips. I've said this last year I wanted to do it as well, but I really want to try like drifting it around in the snow. I need to get a little bit better set up for this. That way you don't get water inside of the gas tank. I should probably get like a snorkel as well to kind of like boof that up a little bit higher rather than it being here. So things to do, but I want to try it for sure. Where'd my cat just go? She was just right here.
Tuna, what are you doing, Tuna? Tuna.
Do you want to come inside, Bubba? Come here. She's been at the damn garage. You've been at the garage since we came home, or since I've been gone. Oh, this is heavy. Oh, there's so much noise. Alright, so we got the engine, for the most part, on the engine stand. The crane is all hooked together, obviously, still holding it. And yeah, that'll probably do it for this video. I'm not sure how long it's going to be, maybe a little bit shorter, but we got the engine, it's secured, it's at home, and it's on the engine stand. And we have all the stuff that we need to get it in and out of the car moving forward. So, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.